today before the magistrates at Harare Magistrates Court at a session where the state was supposed to give a trial date and allocate the matter to a trial court. Initially, the state indicated that they needed one more postponement because the state has now decided to rope in HSTV. The state has pronounced that HSTV, the organization that employs Blessed Mhlanga, will be a co-accused. Charges are going to be leveled against this media house called HSTV in respect of the charges that Blessed is facing. We objected to the postponement of the matter because at our last appearance on 22 April 2025, the state had promised that there would be no further applications, there would be no further remand without the allocation of the case to a trial court. After the lunch break, when the state was supposed to respond to the application for refusal of further remand, they suddenly changed the position to say they are now suddenly ready to go to trial, and they allocated a trial court and a trial date being the 14th of May 2025. Despite our indications that the lawyer of choice for Blessed Mhlanga will be out of the country, the state insisted that they will not budge, they will not make any concessions, they will stick to the 14th without any regard whatsoever to the circumstances of the accused person or of his legal representative. Once it became clear that it was pointless to make any submissions or any engagements with the state, we therefore let the state exercise its will, which was endorsed by the court, and the case is therefore postponed to the 14th of May 2025 for trial. It appears to us that by that date the state would have fast-tracked the issue of HSTV to make sure that HSTV is also before the same court for trial. That is the current status of the matter. In the meantime, Blessed Mhlanga continues to languish in prison. He will not be afforded the liberty that we believe he deserves. Had he been removed from remand as per our request, that would have entailed his release and restoration of liberty. But the state has made it very clear that it is determined at all costs and by any means necessary to keep him inside.
Maybe health-wise, recently we've heard because that he wasn't feeling well.
Yes, he has not made it a secret that his health is not at its best. He's been struggling with a number of maladies, and we hope that his stay in prison will be curtailed in the coming days because prison has not been good for his health, his physical health and his mental health.
You said you won't be available on the 14th of May. What will happen? Who is going to represent Blessed?
Sorry?
You said you won't be available on the 14th of May, so who is going to represent Blessed?
It is a crisis, it is a dilemma because the state has failed to recognize the importance of a lawyer of choice being present for proceedings. So it's a crisis, a dilemma that we have to contend with and find means and ways of resolving it. We are not too sure at this stage how we will resolve that crisis, but I'm sure we will find a way to deal with it. There is no guarantee that trial will kick off on the 14th of May 2025, but it appears to us this doesn't really matter. For the state, what matters is for Blessed to continue in custody.
For these and other stories, visit our website www.263chat.com. Follow us on Twitter @263chat and like our Facebook page 263chat.